This is the VDV Scout Pro 2 review, brought to you by Ultimate Tech Hub, technology simplified. The Scout Pro 2 is priced at $79 from Klein Tools. The Scout Pro 2 is a voice and data video cable tester that locates and tests coax, data, and telephone cables. The Scout Pro 2 weighs 9 ounces with the battery and the remote. Let's take a look at the kit. This is the testing unit. These are the 5 coax maps, 5 LAN maps, and 1 female-to-female F connector. Instructions: 9-volt Duracell battery, and we're going to go ahead and install that. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver to install it. With this kit, you can test for open, short, miswire, or split pair faults. I like that yellow and black combination, it looks sharp. Let's take a look at the buttons. There's the power button, ID button, tone button, low, high-low 1, high-low 2, and high. Voice button, video, and data. On the bottom is the test remote, which has data and voice also. At the top, we have voice, video, and data. The Scout Pro 2 comes with solid rubber hand grips. It feels pretty comfortable. Let's test a Cat6 Ethernet cable. We're going to plug it into the test remote here and into the tester. Turn on the ID, it says test, and then we'll hit data. Passes, all the numbers match, success. Let's go ahead and test 1 LAN map, and we'll test 1 coax map. Let's start with the LAN. Plug it into Ethernet, jack on the wall, go to your network box, plug it in, turn it on with ID button, and successful. We have ID 1. We'll do the same thing with the coax. This is where the F connector comes in, the female to female. You'll have to use that at the top of the tester. Power on, ID 1. Perfect. Each press of the voice button causes 1 test to be run on the 6-position RJ jack, and the results are displayed. And you can test pairs, single wires, or test them all at once. Pressing the video button starts the ID test, testing only for the F connector. Each press of the data button causes 1 test to be run on the 8th position RJ jack, and the results are displayed. And once again, you can test pairs, single, or test them all at once. Let's take a look at some wiring and display examples. This is the correct wiring display for the 5.6A, and the 5.6B is identical except for they swap the green and the orange pairs. Either way will work as long as you use the same one on both ends. This is the cable with split pairs on display, and this is the cable with short and open. There's many more of these. I just want to show you some of the popular ones. The Scout Pro 2 looks great, has a bunch of features. The only concern is the durability issue. Can it stack up over time with heavy use? I'm not sure it can, but with light use, I highly recommend it. My review is 4.5 stars out of 5 stars. I wanted to thank you for watching and being a part of the Ultimate Tech Hub. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and hit the bell icon for me so you can be informed of new technology reviews. Thank you again.